Assalamualaikum to our beloved lecturer, Madam Siti Junita. We are from class 21A, group 6. We will present about the company that we choose, which is Kawan Food Berhad. Kawan Food Berhad is a well-known Malaysian company that focuses on food processing, particularly on the manufacture, sale, trade, and distribution of frozen foods. Kawan Food Berhad is within the food processing industry and it focuses on the frozen food sector, which is the fastest growing class in the food economy due to the changing taste and preference of people who now seek convenient, longer expiration dates, and a global diversity of ethnic and specialty foods. The frozen food industry is one of the sectors that has gained increased economic growth internationally and especially in Malaysia, and is expected to continue growing due to urbanization, increasing active lifestyle with the growing number of employed and dual-income families. The business structure supports its global operations and innovation efforts, with an emphasis on sustainability, automation, and product quality. Kawan Food's commitment to excellence and adaptation to changing market demands has cemented its reputation as a leader in the frozen food industry.
The next part is problem statement. First is raising raw material costs. Inflation and supply chain issue increase costs of key ingredients like flour, oil, and packaging, struggling to absorb costs without raising product prices, affecting competitiveness. Second is involving consumer preference. So, growing demand for plant-based and health-focused product, need for investment in R&D and new product lines, intense competition from both local and international brands. Third is labor shortage and workforce constraints. So, when COVID-19 restrictions and outbreak impact workforce capacity and production. Fourth is operational disruptions. Production held in middle 2021 due to COVID-19, causing order delays. Challenges rebuilding inventory, especially for international market. And the last one is compressed profit margin. 14.7% increase in profit, mainly due to reduced sale and admin costs, not operational improvement. Profitability under pressure as raw material and freight costs rise.
Kawan Food Berhad demonstrate a marked improvement in liquidity during 2021. The current ratio increased from 2.89 in 2020 to 3.80 in 2021. This means the company had RM 3 ringgit 80 sen in current assets for every 1 ringgit of liabilities compared to 2 ringgit 89 sen the previous year. The quick ratio also improved, rising from 1.69 to 2.38. This indicates the company ability to meet short-term obligations without relying on inventory has threatened. Additionally, the cash ratio grew from 1.00 to 1.80, reflecting higher cash reserves. This improvement collectively highlight Kawan Food Berhad's strong financial health and its ability to manage short-term obligations effectively. On profitability, in 2001, the company's gross profit margin improved to 14.56%, up from 12.57% in 2020. This increase occurred despite a 1.2% decline in revenue, which dropped from 254.7 million ringgit to 251.8 million ringgit. The net profit margin also saw an increase, rising from 10.86% to 12.62%. Profit after tax grew from 27.65 million ringgit to 31.79 million ringgit, demonstrating the company's ability to operate more efficiently and control costs. Additionally, the return of The return on equity ROE rose from 8.01% to 8.63%, while the return on assets ROA improved from 7.67% to 8.26%. These figures underscore Kawan Food Berhad's focus on maximizing shareholder returns and utilizing its assets more effectively. Now, let's examine asset management. The inventory turnover ratio declined slightly from 4.17 in 2020 to 3.73 in 2021. This suggests a slower movement of inventory, potentially due to global supply chain disruptions during the year. Total assets turnover also fell from 0.71 to 0.65, reflecting a minor decrease in the efficiency of utilizing assets to generate revenue. However, it is important to note that the company's total assets increased to 384.7 million ringgit in 2021, up from 360.6 million ringgit in 2020. This growth in the assets demonstrates the company's commitment to expanding its operations and investing in its future.
Section 3.4, which is leverage analysis. Let's dive into leverage. Kawan Food Berhad made significant strides in reducing its reliance on debt in 2021. The debt-to-equity ratio dropped from 4.39% in 2020 to 3.28% in 2021, highlighting a more conservative approach to financing. Similarly, long-term borrowings as a percentage of equity fell sharply from 1.66% to just 0.57%. This reduction in debt lowers financial risk and provides the company with greater financial stability, which is crucial for supporting future growth and sustainability. Section 3.5, Dividend and Shareholders' Returns Analysis. Now, let's look at shareholder returns. Earnings per share, or EPS, increased from 7.79 cent in 2020 to 8.84 cent in 2021, reflecting higher net profits and better returns for investors. Meanwhile, the dividend payout ratio remains stable, rising slightly from 33% to 34%. This shows that Kawan Food Berhad is committed to rewarding its shareholders while retaining enough earnings to reinvest in growth opportunities. The balance between dividends and retained earnings demonstrates the company's forward-thinking approach to value creation.
Kawan Food Berhad is currently navigating a landscape marked by supply chain disruption, rising consumer demand, and increasing emphasis on sustainability. To enhance its market position and contribute meaningfully to global sustainability goals, Kawan can implement several strategic measures. First, expanding its vegetable food sector to include plant-based options will cater to the growing demand for healthier products. Second, enhance digital and e-commerce capabilities through improved interfaces and partnership can better serve tech-savvy consumers. Third, adopting sustainable packaging solution will not only reduce its carbon footprint but also appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Additionally, establishing local supplier relationships can mitigate supply chain challenges and optimize logistics. Investing in employee development programs will foster a skilled workforce while expanding corporate social responsibility. Initiative will strengthen Kawan's reputation for social impact. By embracing these strategies, Kawan Food Berhad can solidify its market leadership and ensure long-term growth. For the conclusion, this project focuses on analyzing Kawan Food Berhad's financial and operational performance, highlighting its strong position in Malaysia's frozen food sector. In 2021, the company demonstrated solid financial stability with high profitability and liquidity, effectively managing short-term obligations and generating income despite challenges such as rising raw material, cost labor shortage, and shifting consumer preference. Strategic growth initiatives were identified, including expanding plant-based products, enhancing digital and e-commerce capabilities, embracing sustainability, improving employee development, and increasing corporate social responsibility efforts. The project underscored the importance of balancing financial analysis with strategic vision, understanding industry trends, and adopting sustainability practice. To create meaningful and impactful growth strategy,